Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's part 3 now of our discussions about roofs, and we are still in roof by footprints. Our topic for today is about adding support or a framing in our columns, and we will make this framing slope. And what we're gonna do is we will pick the support in editing shape and we're gonna attach it. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. Now guys, my Revit is open. Now next that I'm going to do is I'm going to click this part 3 flat roof and open it. Now it's open. Now you want to see, if you will want to see in 3D, it's like this. This is our previous work, and I have deleted all of those beams and framing that we have done before, including this system framing also I have deleted, because what I'm going to do is we're going to make a beam all around, sloping beam, and this one we will lower all this one middle, and we will create a beam on that. So next that I'm going to do is I'll go to level 4, and in level 4 I'll select all, and then go to filter. I'll filter it, click this filter, and then check none, and I'm only selecting this structural column, and then apply, and then okay. And then next is I will temporarily hide or isolate elements. I'll just isolate all of those columns that we have created before. Now next that I'm going to do is going to click all of this middle, and also I hold this control and hit this other one also on the right side, and then I'll lower this into 1 foot. Top offset from property palette, I'll just change it to negative 0.30 or equivalent to 1 foot. Now it's already down, and then next that we're gonna do is I'll go to structure and make a beam, and then select this here, and then here, and then here, and then I go here, and then hit escape, and then again go here, and then hit escape, then here, and then I go again here, and then here, and then here also, and then hit escape, and then select this, and here, and then hit escape, and then here, and then here, and then again here, and then hit escape, and then click here, and then again hit escape and go here, and then here, and here, and then again here, then again hit escape, and then again I'll hit escape twice. Let's go to 3D, and there it is. All of the beam that we have created is done, but I missed this one. I missed the other one, and what I'm going to do is just go to beam, and just oh, it's there, just not showing. So most of my beams are already there. And then next is I'll go to level 4, and next that we're gonna do is we'll go back to beam, and in beam we'll draw a beam from here to here, and then hit escape, then again here to this point, then hit escape, and then here to here, then escape, then here, and then escape, and then here also escape, and then escape, and here escape, and also here escape. Then again we'll go to do here in vertical. Okay, again hit escape, and then again here, then again escape once, then again here hit escape once, and again here and hit escape once, again here and hit escape once also, and here, and there. Our 3D is like this. Just better shaded line, and it is shown like this. So there is here is the sloping, here is the depression. I'll do a sloping beam like this. The key is that when you are making a sloping like this, you need to open or check this 3D snapping so that it will snap there. If this is not unchecked, if this is unchecked, it will not snap onto this. It will become straight. So again, next that we're gonna do is I'll go back to level 4, and in level 4 we're gonna reset temporary height. So I'll have reset it, and next that I'm going to do is we're gonna make our architecture roof by footprints, and then I'll select another type of roof. I'll just select this generic 400 mm, and then next is be sure that this boundary line is selected, and then also we select this pick a wall, and then I just place my mouse here and then just hit the tab and then select. Now everything is selected. So there is a miss here, so what I'm going to do is I'll go to this trim extend to corner, and there. Okay, now all be sure that everything is, all of these lines are closed. So everything is closed, and then okay. Now here is our slab. In 3D it is like this, it is straight, it's not picking the beams that we have created. Next that I'm going to do is I'm going to select all, and then I'll go to this filter on our ribbon tab. This is modify, multi select, and then filter, this ribbon filter, and then I select this and check none. Next that I'm going to do is I'm going to select this roofs, structural beam system, structural column, and then this structural framing gear there, and then apply, and then okay, and then I'll go to this temporary height, and I will isolate those elements that is selected, isolate, and now here is our beams. Now next that we're gonna do is I'll just select this floor, and there is here in shape editing there is a pick support. So click this pick support, and then pick this one, and then pick this also, and then pick the other one and pick here, and then I'll pick this other one, and then pick this also, and then I'll go here and pick this, and then pick this second one also, and then I'll go back here. I'll pick this, and then pick this one, and then pick this, and I'm going to pick this and here, and again I select this one and this one. Then I think all is already picked. Okay, did I? Okay, I think I didn't miss anything. All pick, and then again I hit this escape twice. Now our floors is sloping. Now I'll go to this reset, temporary height, and now here is our floor. And then I think this one I'll just tab it, and then we need to bring this down more. So I'll bring it more down. I'll make it I think make it around 0.60, then apply, or I think it's okay, 0.30, apply, already sitting. Okay, now here it is, our slab is sloping like this, sloping there and here. So next that we're gonna do is we're going to create a cricket again, because this is sloping and we need to create a cricket all around. So now we'll go to level 4, and in level 4 we're going to go and select this model in place, and then I'll go to roofs. Roofs, and then I'll adopt this. We'll name it cricket, and then okay, and then we'll go and make this sweep. Next that we will do, we'll pick a path. We'll pick this, and then I'll pick this path here. I think it's better to see it in 3D. Pick the path here, pick it here, and then pick here, and then I'm going to pick this down, and here, and then I'll pick it also here, then I'll pick this top, pick this down up, and then again here pick, then again pick this top, then I turn around, then pick this top, And then again here pick, then shift, turn around, shift, rotate, and then pick this one, then pick this, also this one, also here, and here. Okay, now next that we're gonna do is we're going to finish this, and then we're gonna make a profile. So make a profile, and then in profile we're going to make a triangle. So we'll make it just like before also. Point 2, I just type point 2, and then I'll click it here and go 45 degrees, and then I go here and then close it here, and then now it's done. And then let's finish it. Go to this check it, and then once again check it, and now here is our cricket and our sloping slabs. And then finish it, and then I'll go to this realistic, and here is our finished product. Now guys, okay guys, that's it for today, and we'll meet again tomorrow. And tomorrow our topic is about hip roof. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. Firme lengke. Bye bye.